In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Now tap on while using the app and allow in all pop-ups and close an ad. After that, you'll be finally able to apply this launcher by hitting Set as Default and tapping on it over here. As you can see, after that, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you can always do that by going into the same app, tapping on Set as Default, and choosing Pixel Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!